Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of some IronRidge FF2 flash feet. And if we see down by the label there are 36 units in here. So let's open this box up and see what we got. All right, first thing we got, handy dandy instructions for installation, including the tools you're going to need. So you got everything you need to know to install these right here. Now what we have, 36 flash feet. Happens is you go up, you install them, get the bolt through them and knock them in. What else comes with it? We have got the clips and the bolts. So what happens, you get your foot up there, you drill your hole, you put your bolt in, and you screw your clip on. Oh, that's not straight. Go back. There it is. There you go, folks. The IronRidge FF2 flash foot.